In this video, we're going to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2021. In this particular problem, we need to find out the number of zeros for the particular equation, which involves the greatest integer function. So let's go ahead and solve the particular problem. This particular problem, we first consider the given equation. Now here, right, we recall one property. We recall the property that box of x plus n is equal to box of x plus n. Box of x means that greatest integer function. Okay, so now, right, if we apply that property, then box of x plus 2 will be equal to box of x plus 2. And then we can reduce the equation by multiplying 2, right, is equal to box of x squared plus 2 of box x minus 3 equal to 0. Let us consider t equal to box x. So therefore, the given equation will be reduced to t squared plus 2t minus 3. Now, this equation can easily be solved by middle term factorization, right? Let's go ahead and factorize using the middle term. So therefore, the middle term factorization says it will be t plus 3 multiplied by t minus 1. So therefore, the roots of this equation are box of x is equal to minus 3 and 1. That's it. Let's go ahead. Now, we have to find out the values of x such that box of x is equal to minus 3 and minus 1. That's why we consider the x-axis and y-axis and try to plot the box of x. So here we consider the box of x plot or the greatest integer functions plot. So if we go ahead and plot them, right, we find out that, right, in the positive sense and obviously in the negative axis, right, we find out, right, that where box of x is equal to minus 3, we can easily identify that box of x is equal to minus 3 imply that, right, that x belongs to minus 2 to 3. So therefore, minus 3 is a closed interval, 2 is a open interval. Box x is equal to 1 when it lies between 1 to 2. So therefore, x belongs to 1 closed and 2 open, right? That's it. So therefore, we conclude that our roots are inside the interval, right? Minus 3 to 2 and 1 to 2 union, okay? Now, here, x is a real number, right? It's not an integer, it's a real number. For any real number belongs to this particular interval, right, the solution of this equation will be satisfied, the equation will be satisfied. So therefore, we conclude that, right, this particular equation in this interval minus infinity to plus infinity have infinitely many solutions. So therefore, for this particular problem, option D is the correct answer. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.